NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video I am going to explain about a shortcut methods for an aptitude problem from English character. Okay. If you listen this video carefully, you can solve the aptitude problem from English character within 30 seconds. Okay. So the English character problem have three different types. First type is find the missing character. Okay. Here in this problem, four characters given. We have to find the another one missing character. Okay. The second type is coding and decoding concepts. In this problem, if a character is coded by another one character, then what will be the code for the another one given character? Okay, we have to find. Then third type is we have to find the first relationship character. Okay, here three characters given. We have to find the another one character which will give the best relationship. Okay, for three different types of problems, the concept is similar. Okay, for solving this problem within 30 seconds, you have to know the English character position. Now I will explain tips for remembering the position of English letter in an easiest way. Okay, the letter A is the first position. We know already. Letter A is the first position. B is second position. C is third position. D is fourth position. For the first four character, we can easily tell the position, English letter position. Okay. Finding the position of next character is somewhat difficult. Okay. Now I am going to give an tips to remember the position of English letter. First, we have to remember your girlfriend name is Ijoti. Okay, here E means is a multiple of 5. This is the multiple of 5. E is fifth position. J is 10th position. Multiple of 5 is a 10. O is 15th position. T is in 20 position. Y is 25 position. Okay. First, we have to remember the girlfriend. Your girlfriend name is Ijoti. Here, Ijoti is a multiple of 5. E is 5. J is 10th position. O is 15th position. T is 20th position. Y is 25th position. Okay. Next, F. Remember that fix the value as 6. So F is 6. Just remember. Okay. Next, G. By the shape of the English letter, we can find the position. The G shape is like this. So this is seventh position. It's like a 7. So this is the seventh position. G is seventh position. Then H. H look like 8. The shape is like as 8. So H is in 8th position. Okay. By observing the shape of the letter, we go to tell. Don't count the English character position. Okay. If you count, it will take long time. Okay. So the shape of I is like as 9 because the dot like as 0, it's a 1. So I is look like I shape is like as 9. So ith position is 9. Then J. Ijoti. Here girlfriend name is Ijoti. Ijoti is multiple of 5. E is in 5th position. J is in 10th position. Okay. Then K. The shape of the K is like as 11. So 1 is another one. So K is in 11th position. Okay. Then L. L means 12. Just remember this. L means 12. Okay. Then M. The M shape is like as 3. If you rotate this M, it look like 3. So position of M is 13 because M shape is like as 3. Okay, so 13. N. Remember that number 14 Children's Day. So N means 14. The position of N is 14. Okay. Then O. Already remember that Ijoti, girlfriend name is Ijoti. He is 5. J 10. O means 15. So 15. The O position of O is 15. Then P. The shape of B like as 6. If you rotate this, it look like 6. So The position of P is 16. Okay, next Q. The shape of Q is look like as 7. The bottom is like a 7. So its position is 17th position. Okay. Then R. The shape of R is like as 1, 8. If we separate this like as 1, this is like as 8. So the R shape is like as 18. So this position of R is 18. Okay. Then S. S means 19. Okay, remember this. S means 19. Then T. Is your T here E5, J10, O15, T20. In another way, we know that T20 match. Remember this T20 match. T means 20 match. T20 match. IPL T20 match. So T is in 20th position. Okay. Then U is unique. Unique means 1. 1 means 21. Okay. U means uniqueness. Uniqueness means 1. 121. Okay. Then V. So this hand shape is like as V. Count is 2. So V is in V. Position of V is 22. W. The W shape is look like as 3. If rotate this W, it look like 3. So the position of W is 23. M also, M shape also like as 3. So M is in position 13, 1, 3. W is in position is 23. Okay. Then X. X have 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So is in 24th position. X is 24. Then Y. Ejoti. The alphabet name is Ejoti. This is the last letter name of last letter in the Ejoti character. So Y is 25. Z is the last letter in the English character. So 26. Just remember this position. Okay. Don't count this number letter. Don't count this position. If count, it takes long time. Recollect these concepts. Tell this position within 1 second. Then only we can solve this problem very quickly. Okay. Otherwise, the problem will confuse you. Okay. So now we will solve this 3 different type of problems. First type is missing character problem. We go to find the missing character. In this type of problem, the procedure is we go to find the first letter of the missing character by comparing the first letter of the given. Okay. Find the second letter of the missing character by comparing the second letter of the given character. Okay. This is the procedures. So first, find the first letter of missing character by comparing the first letter of the given. Tell the position. P is in second position. So P is 2. Ejoti E is 5. So position of E is 5. H like as 8. So position of H is 8. K look like 11. So position of K is 11. Find the difference. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. The difference, the first letter difference is minus 3. So the next character difference should be minus 3. So 11 minus 14 is equal to minus 3. For getting the minus 3 difference, the number should be 14. Okay. 14 means n number 14. So eliminate the option. Option A, character first letter is n. So maybe a correct one. And option B, first letter is m. But finding the answer is n. So option B is wrong. In option C, first letter is m. So option C is wrong. In option D, first letter is n. Maybe a correct one. Okay. For eliminating option A or D, compare the second letter. Okay. Second letter. The position of x is 24. X have 4 sides. So 24. T20 match. So T position is 20. P is like a 16. or P is like a 6, so 16. L means 12. Find the difference. 24 minus 20 is equal to 4. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. The difference is 4. So the difference should be the missing character and these previous character should be a 4. So this letter should be 8. Okay, then only you get the difference is 4. So 8 means H. H saves like as 8. So second character missing, second letter of missing character is H. In the option A, the second letter is H. So option A may be correct. In the option D, second letter is I. So option D is wrong. Option A is correct. Okay. This is a procedure. We go to find the first letter of missing character by comparing the all the first letter. Find the second letter of missing character by comparing the second letter of all given character. Okay. This is a procedure. Second problem is coding and decoding concepts. Here, this goodness is coded as HNBCODTR. Then, what will be the code for the greatness character? Okay. Compare the first letter of the given character with the first letter. Implement this difference with the given code. Okay. So procedure is first letter comparison. Here G is coded by H. G is coded by H. The position of G is 7 and H is 8. The difference is 1. If G is coded by H, here given is G, then G will be coded as H. Okay. In the option A, first letter is H. Second option B, first letter is H. In the option C also first letter is H. But in the option D, first letter is F. So option D is wrong. Compare the second letter. The second letter O is coded by N. Okay. Position of O is 15. EJO. O 15. N means 14. Number 14. So the difference is 1. The same difference should be in the given. 5 is coded. R means R. Position of R is 18. The difference should be 1. So if it is 17, then only the difference will be 1. So the position of 17 is Q. Okay. The second letter of the R should be coded by Q. Okay. So in the option A, Q, second letter is Q. Option B, second letter is Q. Option C also second letter Q. Okay. Then compare the third letter. Before that, check third letter of all the options. Here in the option A, third letter is F. In the option B, third letter is F. In the option C, also third letter is F. So we cannot eliminate by comparing the third letter. In the option C, in the option A, fourth letter is Z. In the option B, fourth letter is Z. In the C, fourth letter is Z. All are same. So we cannot eliminate by comparing the fourth letter. So no. Then fifth letter comparisons. In the fifth letter option A, U. In the option B, U. In the option C, yes. So if we compare the fifth letter, we may eliminate any one of the options. So compare the fifth letter. In the given fifth letter is N. N is coded by O. Position of N is 14. Position of O is 15. So the difference is 1 minus 1. The same difference should be in the another code. Here fifth letter is T. Position of T is 20. Difference should be minus 1. So the value will be 21. Then only the difference will be minus 1. 21 means U, uniqueness, U. In option A, fifth letter is A is U. In option B, fifth letter is U. But in the option C, fifth letter is S. So option B is wrong. Okay. We may compare the third letter and the fourth letter. But it will take sometimes. We cannot eliminate the options. Because all the options A, B, C have same character. Okay. Sixth letter comparison. If we compare the sixth letter, we can eliminate option A or B. Because sixth letter in here option A, sixth letter is O. and option B sixth letter is M. Okay, here sixth letter E is coded as D. E means 5, D means 4. So the difference is 1. The same difference should be here. Here N, sixth letter is N. The difference should be 1. N position of N is 14. The difference should be 1. So if it is 13, then only the difference will be 1. So 13th position is M. Okay, M like as 3. M shape is like as 3. M is 13. So sixth letter is M. In the option A, sixth letter is O. And option B, sixth letter is M. So option B is correct. Option A is wrong. Okay, this is the concepts. That type of problem. Best relationship. We have to find the best relationship are given. This type of problem have two categories. First category is normal category. Second category is swapping concepts. Two concepts. Okay. The first concepts. Here character 1, 2, 3 is given. We got to find a missing character. In the best relationship concepts, we have to compare the first character with third one. Implement the same difference with the second, fourth. Okay. In the best relationship concepts, we have to compare the first character with third character. Okay. So compare the first character with third character. Here the first letter Q position is 17. Third character J. The position of J is 10. 10. The difference is 7. The same difference should be in characters 2 and 4. Okay. Here T position is 20. The difference should be 7. Okay. The difference should be 7. If 13, then only the difference will be 7. Here 13 means M. So first character, missing character, first letter of missing character is M. Eliminate the option. Option A, first letter is B. So option A is wrong. And option B, first letter is M. So maybe correct one. In option C, first letter is H. So option C is wrong. In the option D, first letter is H. So option D is wrong. So option B only correct one. We need to compare the second letter. But for understanding, we will compare. Okay. The second letter of first character with second letter of third character. Okay. So here position of P is 16. Here I, position of I is 9. The difference is 7. Okay. The same difference should be in second letter of second character with second letter of fourth character. Here U, second letter U position is 21. The difference should be 7. So this 14. If it is 14, then only the difference will be 7. So 14 means number 14 N. So second letter is N. So option B is correct. Okay. This is one of the concepts. Second type of problem is swapping concepts. The first character letter is swapped with the second. Swapping means first letter P is in the last letter. Second letter is in third letter of second character. Third letter of first character is first letter of second character. E is the fourth letter of first character is second letter of second character. The letter is swapping. The letter position is changing. The type of problem is swapping concepts. Okay. So here first letter is the last letter. Same should be here. Here first letter is B, should be in the last letter. Last letter of missing character. So P should be 4th. Option A, B is in 4th. In option B, 4th in first position. So option B is wrong. And option C, B is in last position. Okay. So option A and C may be a correct one. Okay. Compare the second letter. The second letter is in third position. Similarly, here should be second letter O should be in third position. And option A, O is in third position. Option C, O is in third position. Compare the third letter. In the first character, third letter is in the first letter of the second character L. Here third letter is the first letter. So third letter S should be in the first letter of the missing character. So S should be first. So option C is correct. Okay. This is a procedure. Do it yourself. All the 5 questions are asked in the recent RRB JEE 2019 examinations. Okay, RRB JEE examinations have 2 parts, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 fully aptitude problems. Okay, 5 mark is very important marks. In the first questions, swapping concepts. Humidity is called as like this. H, first letter H. Here first letter H is in the second letter. U second letter, here first letter. M third letter, here third letter. I fourth letter, here fourth letter. D fifth letter, but here sixth letter. Interchanged. Sixth, first position and second positions are interchanged. Third and fourth are not interchanged. D and I, fifth and sixth are interchanged here. T and Y is not interchanged. So position only interchanged. Swapping concepts. Same swapping should be here. Okay. Solve this problem. The second question, we got to find the best relationship, but is not a swapping concepts. Compare the first character with the third character. Implement this difference with the second. Okay. Third coding and decoding, but it's not a swapping concept. This is the first concept problem. Fourth and fifth are missing character problem. Okay. Solve this problem. Comment your answers. I will give you solutions in the next video. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.